So yeah, we're getting a night tour of Bangkok by tram, which we'll get to see in a second. Is it just us?
Just us.
Only you.
Only us.
Oh, very special. So we are on a tram tour. It's kind of hilarious because there's no tram in Bangkok. This is just like a bus that is made to look like a tram. There's no steering wheel, it's just a lever. Get the lever. Yeah.
True.
No photo, but yeah, video. We just stopped off at Parliament House. Funnily enough, there seems to be like guards here like they have in London where they just stand still the whole time. Parliament House is 100 years old, Bangkok's 500 years old. We're the only two on the tour. Completely private for ourselves, except for this one guy who got on a minute ago who was like rubbing Kelly. Kelly's like, oh shit, this guy's weird. Turns out like he just snuck onto the back of the bus or tram.
Oh, what's it on here?
And why is it European style? What?
Bangkok King number 5, he have in Europe. And then you he copy from that car there. They copy from Europe.
It's amazing how lit up it is.
Hi, Turkey.
It is.
You're saying this is 108 years old?
Every temple made by wood and cement, covered by real gold. Gold leaf, 180 years. Thailand.
He opened?
Thai massage school.
Oh, let's go.
This Buddha was brought from the north of Thailand by boat, and the temple was built around it. It is breathtaking.
The flower here from the north of Thailand.
Oh, from the north?
He make the pagoda here, and he make here for memorial. We are for King Sam family, no die. For king, for pagoda. Then the Buddha here is mean he stopped the ocean.
Oh.
Okay? Okay, let's go. I told you before, he learned Chinese. He opened Thai massage school and Thai herb medicine. The paper very hard for keep. He make carving on the marble. He makes statue, Thai massage, you must do like this. My Buddha say, if I die, you make the pagoda like this. And
Okay.
bye-bye, I come to reception for
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Captain. It's time to check out of our last hotel in Thailand. We are grabbing some local food before we leave to the airport while getting the last of the sun. So be careful taking out your wallet once you get change. Hold on a sec there when I get a picture of this building. Bye bye Thailand.
Yeah, back to Ireland.
Woo. Find out what gate we're at. So we're in Bangkok airport once again, on the way to Kuala Lumpur, then on the way to London, and to Ireland. Back home we go. 22 hours ahead. We hope you like this video. It shows the beauty of Bangkok at night. Our next city is just as beautiful and is probably the most famous place in the world. If you've made it this far, please like and of course subscribe. Please comment below anything. We really need to get interaction. Comment and tell us what your favourite city is, and maybe we might be able to go there someday.